Yo, what's up, YouTube world? It's your boy B87 checking in, and I'm back to let you into my Robinhood investment account. Now, boy, oh boy, has it been one heck of a week. The stock market has been very, very volatile. Whole lot of red, but I'm finally glad to report that we finally get a little bit of green today. Now, today is Friday, and it's May the 14th. And as I mentioned, the stock market is up a little bit. We got a little bit of green, so I am glad to report that. But what I'm going to do today is just show you a little bit of what my current value is, as well as we're going to check out the dividends that I have pending and the dividends that I've received the last 30 days. So as you can see, I am up a little bit, $252 for today. But for the week, I am down. I'm down over $800. And again, that's due to just the massive shift in the stock market. A lot of tech has taken big hits. A lot of growth has taken big hits. And I am definitely no exception to that. But as you can see, for the year, I am still up over $5,000. And that is because I am a long-term investor, as well as I do believe in investing in good quality companies that can stand the test of time, and that also pay me dividends. So I just reinvest those dividends. So now let's go ahead and just check out some of the companies that I hold. As you can see, I do have a number of stocks in my portfolio. I have 35 stocks to be exact. And the reason why I do have so many companies is because I like to consider myself to be pretty diverse. I want to own so many companies in my portfolio, again, as I mentioned, just so I can touch into each sector. Growth stocks and a lot of tech stocks have really taken hits. Tesla, for an example. But when you are very diverse, when you're in a number of different sectors, that's just a pretty good way to kind of hedge your bet. So, I have industrials, I have financials, I have some consumer staples, consumer discretionaries. So I'm not just totally falling victim to the technology and to the growth. So that is just a little pointer for some of my investors out there. If you're going to get into the stock market, it is best if you're going to do it long term. And again, as I mentioned, you want to practice diversity. That is how you truly protect your portfolio and how you don't suffer too much when the stock market has been pretty bad and choppy, because that's definitely what it has been. But let's go ahead and check out the dividends that I mentioned. So pending, as you can see, we got Pfizer. I got $3.90 pending. Walmart, I got 55 cents pending. Starbucks, 90 cents pending. California Water, I got $1 pending. Caterpillar, I also have $1. HTGC, again, this is one of my favorite companies. I'm so glad that I own it. Their dividends always help me out. I'm actually going to receive 2 dividends from HTGC. That's Hercules Capital. I did a video about them a while back, so just check out my channel. You'll see that video on Hercules Capital. But let's just go ahead and explore this one a little bit more. I have 90 shares, and they pay 32 cents per share, so I'm going to receive $28 from Hercules Capital. I not only have profited from the capital gains, but the dividends are quite lovely as well. And as I mentioned, I'm going to get 2 payments, $28 and that's $6. So if you don't have Hercules Capital, you may want to check them out, get a little position. Not necessarily financial advice, but hey, it's been working for me so far. Hormel, I got 74 cents pending. AOS, we got 84 cents pending. Procter & Gamble, $1. And Realty Income, the monthly paying dividend company, they're a REIT. They're paying me $2.46. The past 30 days, Apple, I received $3 from Apple yesterday. Enterprise Products, that's EPD, I received $6. Nucor, what's this? T, that's AT&T. They paid me $23 about a week or two ago, so that was also very nice. TRP, $1. JP Morgan Chase, 91 cents. Comcast paid me $1. Cisco paid me $1. MSM, I got just under $5. CPT, I believe that's Camden, I received 87 cents. Rexor, 87 cents. And Realty Income, again, the monthly dividend paying company, I received $2. So basically, that's just the benefit of when you invest in companies that pay dividends. For those who may not know, just as a refresher, dividends are when the company, they pay their shareholders quarterly or monthly, a few companies. So they'll pay their shareholders quarterly, again, as I mentioned, or monthly pieces of the profits that they have earned within that quarter. That's the benefits of getting dividend payments. As I get them, I have my drip on. So that just means that my dividends just continue to be reinvested. And during times such as these, when the times are volatile, that actually helps my positioning in these particular stocks. So when the price is down and I get a dividend payment, it just gets reinvested in it. I'm actually able to obtain a bit more of the particular company when the price is down than when the price is high. So it actually does benefit a dividend investor when the stock market is down. So again, that's just a little feather that you might put in your that you may want to put in your hat. Just a strategy of investing in the stock market. Again, as I mentioned, I am a dividend investor. So when I get my dividend payments, I just reinvest them in. And that has ultimately led to why I have been pretty successful within this last year. And of course, that's just in addition to having diamond hands, baby. When I get into a particular company, I definitely like to hold it. I'm definitely more than willing to, just accept the terms as far as the roller coaster of the stock market up and down. But if you invest in pretty good companies, more than likely you're going to be fine. As you can see, I got Nike, I got Starbucks, I got JP Morgan Chase, I got Procter and Gamble, I got Johnson and Johnson. Like, believe me, these companies aren't going anywhere. So I'm just going to keep investing in them. I'm not going to sell anything. And again, yeah, I took quite a bit of hit, but believe me, as I just keep averaging down a little bit, keep buying a little bit here and there, once everything goes back up, I'm going to make a killing. So I'm looking forward to that. So I really hope that you do as well. If you're not investing in the stock market, now is probably the good time to really get in there, because you're going to get some very, very good quality companies on the low. So it's all about a mindset. You want to just think about the future and put yourself in a pretty good position to really, really win. But yeah, that concludes today's video. Again, I just wanted to show you how I'm currently doing. I'm still over 20K, so I'm pretty happy about that. Again, as I mentioned, the week, it's been a lot of red, but I have patience and I trust in my decisions that I've made, and I believe I'm definitely making the right decision. Believe me, the market will be back up. But that concludes today's video. If you like this video, like and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And I have a link in the description so you can download Robinhood and start investing in the stock market. And if you want to start buying some Bitcoin, also have a link in the description to download Coinbase and start getting into crypto. Other than that, have a good one, everybody. Peace.